Get ready to read with Tag Junior, the #1 selling reading system. Toddler Milestones Book Set. Prepare toddlers for big milestones with this 4-book set, featuring beloved characters, sing-along songs, and more. With Leap as a guide, toddlers can build self-confidence during potty training.
I'm almost done, Mommy.
Learn about being a new sibling.
Tuck her in bed.
Sleep tight, baby sister.
Understand and communicate feelings and emotions.
When you are glad about something, you feel happy.
Then learn about numbers and daily activities through Leap's 10-step nighttime routine.
5. I give my teeth a brush.
This Get Ready to Read book set is one of over 20 titles in the Tag Junior library that introduces toddlers to early reading skills. The Get Ready to Read series is the first step in the Tag Learn to Read system.